my gosh. Around and around they go. I'm going to upload this to YouTube for your mom.
Yeah, right.
Whoa.
Now, if you were a kid, how could you not be laughing on this thing? You have to smile.
This is a fun toy.
Oh, so we're slowing down. Whee!
Skyline.
She's like, and I'm over here in this little lame seat.
Oh, Ella just moved.
Ella, is your arm tired? No spitting, no spitting. Hey, you're going to get off the Wurly Bird if you're spitting. Go, Ella! Go, Ella! Go, Ella! Go, Paige!
How do they figure out how to play? We just know it?